Who's that?
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse.
Ooh, wow.
Ooh.
Cool.
And that is Santa.
Yeah, there's Santa.
Okay.
Look, that's for
Open it.
you.
Yeah, for Mama.
Wrap it good.
Okay, you want.
Minnie Mouse. Oh, you
Ooh.
got accessories.
I put the receipt right on the side. Right there. See that?
Okay,
So
okay.
if you don't like it or what, you can change to something else. You see that thing?
Okay.
Ooh. Oh, here.
You want the glasses?
Oh, that's the bullets for your gun?
Okay, here.
We gotta put that to the side because you got more
Here,
presents,
here, right here,
okay?
look. Right here.
Oh, what
I
else you
gotta
got?
get back over by the tree.
Ooh, more clothes.
That's the kind of what's big, yeah?
Ooh, pretty sprinkles. What?
I got?
Cool.
Yes,
That's
eh?
cool. Oh, it's
You get that amazing. They match. See, when you wash it, it's gonna shrink.
You have some earmuffs like Minnie Mouse. Those in your ears. Don't get that cold. Okay.
That's a bag. That's a bag.
Oh, it's a bag.
Look.
Oh, that's cute, Mia. You get the. It's like a purse.
Yeah, first, look.
You can put your glasses and stuff in there.
Yeah. See, that's
You like that? No. Oh, you don't like these? Okay.
Whoa.
Well, you got more presents.
Okay, read that. Where they came from?
You're from Aunt Kay.
That's from Houston. Came from Houston, Texas. My sister.
Wow.
I gotta bring you the DVD player. I forgot to bring it.
I hit your head. It's a Blu-ray. You got a Blu-ray DVD?
It's they got regular in there too.
Okay.
It's both.
Princess. Look, it's Frozen and you got Aladdin. You get the. It's a movie. You get to watch TV. You put it in the TV.
You always want
I can't open it right now.
I got Lego Dimensions.
You did. That's awesome. Open it.
No, no, no. After this present, I'm gonna have to get
Open. Please.
Look, it's cartoons.
Mm-hmm.
You get to watch cartoons.
Okay.
You can't open it right
Oh, this
now.
one's some too. Mm.
Boy, this one's heavy. All right.
Mama.
They made sure they grabbed this, huh? More.
So, as it gets big.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, look at all your color. You got a lot of coloring books. Not right now. You can't open it right now. We're gonna wait. We have to wait, baby. You can't open it right now. In a little bit, okay? Bless you.
Bless you. Santa Claus. Give you a lot.
Alright.
Here's your bag.
We're singing.
Oh my god, look at that.
Look at Sammy.
Woo!
What is that?
I-
What?
like an
That's
iPad.
cool.
That is neat. Santa Claus been
Lot of
good for
toys.
you.
Get back over here.
Look. What we
We got
got?
some more.
Look, Mia.
You have a lot of presents, Mia.
Jesus.
I mean, yeah.
Wait, you want your princess? Look. Look.
What?
What you got?
Ooh, that's pretty.
Batman. Look, Batman.
Oh, Batman.
Oh man, this is
Oh, that is
the
too
bathroom.
Yeah.
Hey, look,
Look,
you put
Mia.
stuff in your stocking up there.
It's Batman. Yeah. Batman.
Wow, let me see. Oh, that's pretty, Batman.
You like it?
Hey, it's Sammy. You see him? Look.
I see it.
Oh, Santa Claus gave you a present. Look.
You got some more right there.
Mommy, look.
Wait, you got some more.
Oh, you want to? Oh, yeah, you have a bite.
Hey, let me see.
You want Mama to open your presents so you can see? Or you want to open them? Yeah, what? You want to open?
What is the other one?
Open it. Hey,
Oh, look, we have a present, Amelia.
Oh,
look.
Hey.
Look what you got. Oh, what's that?
No.
No, what's that?
Yeah. Oh, nice.
A doggy? What is it? Paw Patrol. It's Paw Patrol.
She's excited about that bike.
See what else you got? Princess?
Oh, what's pretty. Oh, wow.
Oh, no, there's formula in there, Mom.
No, Mommy, look. I'm sorry. Mommy, look. I'm sorry.
Look what you got. You got a sweater.
Mom,
And it says, hello, gorgeous.
yeah.
Can you say that? Hello, gorgeous.
What do you say?
Say it.
You're welcome.
No.
You have coloring, what you call crayons. You see the crayons? You see the crayons? There are 2 crayons in there. See the crayons?
Oh, yeah. Thanks for the walk on.
You're welcome.
Oh, and then you go to
Look.
Smile. You want to open a present?
Oh, Amelia.
Look what you got.
what she got? What she
Look.
got?
Wow, Amelia. Ooh, she
Yeah,
got
what
it.
color is that?
Yeah.
Who's
We can
that?
open it. Yeah, open it.
Princess
Sophia,
is
yeah.
Sophia. And who's that?
Is it a drum?
Everything.
Mixed up. Yummy, yummy. And Doc mixed up in it. And you got some markers.
This one is
I know you want to try it.
yeah, Minnie Mouse. See? Jumbo.
I know, but you got more presents to open.
See? Voila.
Look.
Amelia. See the coloring book. Coloring.
Huh?
There's more over there for him.
Yeah, he's got a few more.
A lot of presents.
Look.
Anthony, pick up that bag. That's apple. No, this one here. This. Yeah, see that? That's cute. See that? That's a bag. That's a purse. I bought that for Amelia.
What is that, Leo? Get back to me.
You have coloring book.
What is my
More into it.
That coloring book. That's not. Yeah, let's go. Open that. Put it right here. Here's your. Huh?
You still got some clothes?
open?
Huh?
Mia!
Yeah, open
Mia!
it.
Hey, me! Hey, it's Sammy and Mia! I got a new tablet!
You
You
did.
have a lot of toys.
That's cool.
Here's another one.
Look, you got more presents to open.
Santa Claus gave you a
You
lot
got
of
more
presents.
presents.
Open!
It's a lot of presents, huh?
Stop scratching.
Ooh, pretty.
No, it's not.
She's from
Oh.
Mia.
Yes. Oh, wow, Mia.
Ooh.
What's that? Open.
Ready to fix everything that you've broken and stuff.
But they know the kids are gonna have this.
Oh, yeah.
They gotta-
Uh-huh.
Yeah, when you try to turn it on, oh, it's already turning on.
Oh.
There's another one for you. Another present.
Wow.
And another one. Two of them
We got
right
a
here.
couple more presents. Go ahead.
Oh, a lot of presents. Huh? Santa Claus gave you a lot of presents.
You gotta open it.
Thank you!
You're welcome.
I got this right here.
That's so cute.
Go ahead, open it.
That's so cute.
And I can't ignore that one.
Oh, Where they're storing the chickens.
It makes, yeah, because you keep scratching it. Stop scratching. Mom, you got scissors close by?
Oh, she's in it.
I got a new shirt.
I gotta get